make virtual riot bass. Let's start with Monster 5 wavetable. Put down 2 octaves. Move wavetable position. Add remap 1 on warp. Make this shape. Put the level down. And add LFO 1 to wavetable position. Remap 1. And level. Make this shape and choose trigger mode. Turn on oscillator B. Increase the semitones to 7. Elevate the unison to 11. Move a bit the detune. Put the level down and add FO1. Turn on filter and choose PHS 48HL6+. And add LFO1 to cutoff, verse, drive, and mix. Turn on sub-bass. And add LFO1. On FX panel, add hyperdimension, distortion. Filter and choose HAHTN12 filter. Add LFO1 to cutoff, frequency, and mix. Finally, compressor. Let's check. You can download this free preset on my website. Also check my samples and presets packs.